Good afternoon, everyone. Before we proceed to our presentation, let me introduce first our group. We are the group 2. I am Maria Antoinette KK. This is Hazel Perea. This is Dominic Candralagio. And this is Sofia Tea Meriles. Our group have chosen petroleum as one of the many exported products that being distributed globally. We choose this product because, as we know, one of the most need, especially in transportation.
Definition and uses. Petroleum products are materials that are made from coals and natural gases. Petroleum products are fluids that are found underneath the Earth's surface and are extracted to fuel and different petroleum products. Petroleum products are used as transportation fuels, electricity, plastics, and road oils.
Here we take a look at the countries around the world with the largest proven oil reserves. First, Venezuela. It is the #1 country with the most reserve oils with more than 300 billion barrels. It has exceeded Saudi Arabia to top worldwide list. Number 2, Saudi Arabia. Falls back into second place due to the discovery in Venezuela's newfound resources. Third, Canada. Stands in its third place with proven oil reserves of 170 billion barrels and has a 9.8% of share in the global resource. The fourth one is Iran, with a 9% of world share, which has estimated proven oil reserve of 156 billion barrels. Iran falls into fourth place with country's world's largest oil reserves. Fifth, Iraq. It has an 8.4% of share in the global resource with oil reserves of 145 billion barrels.
Here are the export value of petroleum gas worldwide in 2019 by country, Australia being the topmost exporter with $36.2 billion worth of petroleum gas in 2019, making it the leading petroleum gas exporter worldwide, followed by Qatar with $33.2 billion, United States with $30.50 billion, Norway with $21.4 billion, Germany with $13.6 billion worth of petroleum gas, and so on and so forth. In 2019, the United States exported petroleum to about 190 countries. U.S. total petroleum exports average of about 8.5 million barrels per day, which included nearly 3 million barrels per day of crude oil, equal to about 35% of total petroleum exports.
Economic Survey year 2019 to 2020 mentioned that petroleum products contribute around 14% of the total export of India. The value of petroleum products on the total Indian exports is around $46.54 billion.
Did you know OPEC and Persian Gulf countries are not the same? So first, what is OPEC and what is its mission? It is to coordinate and unify the petroleum policies of its member countries and ensure the stabilization of oil markets in order to secure an efficient economic and regular supply of petroleum to consumers. So let's back. OPEC and Persian Gulf countries are not the same. Why? Of the 13 members of the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, or OPEC, as of January 1, 2020, 5 of them were Persian Gulf countries, and these are Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates.
And thank you so much for listening.